In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove coins from favorites on Gate. If your favorites list on Gate has become cluttered with coins you no longer follow, removing them is quick and easy. Keeping your favorites list organized makes it much simpler to monitor the cryptocurrencies that matter most to you. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Markets section. This is where you'll find the complete list of cryptocurrencies available for trading on Gate. Next, tap on the Favorites tab. Here, you'll see all of the coins and trading pairs that you've previously added to your favorites list for quick access. Browse through the list until you find the coin you'd like to remove. Tap or click the star icon next to the coin or trading pair. If the star is currently highlighted, it means the coin is saved as a favorite. Simply tap the star again, and it will become unselected, removing the coin from your favorites list immediately. Alternatively, if you're viewing the coin's market or trading page, you can also tap the highlighted star near the top of the screen to remove it from your favorites. Don't worry, removing a coin from favorites does not delete it from Gate, affect your wallet, or close any open positions or orders. It simply removes the shortcut from your personal favorites list. You can always search for the coin again later and add it back with a single tap if you decide to monitor it again. After removing the coin, return to the Favorites tab to confirm that it no longer appears in your list. And that's how you remove coins from your favorites on Gate.com.